I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Saving with Stephanie J. That is where I first saw these trytreat.com boxes because she did unboxings with her daughter, and I just thought it was so cute and such a great idea. So that is where I have gotten the inspiration from Alex and I doing this together. So if you haven't subscribed to her channel, please check her out. It's Saving with Stephanie J. She's got a lot of cool tips for saving you money, and it's just a really great channel with a lot of fun stuff. Hey, this is Jennifer with Magic Monthly, and I have a special unboxing today and a special guest star. This is my husband, Alex.
Hello.
Alex is from the United Kingdom. He's from England. So we have decided to get this new box called Treats.com. Looks like this. And upside down. Treats.com. And so every month is a different country, and they send you treats from that country. So we figured it might be a fun social experiment to both of us try these things to see if the UK palate and the US palate, conflict. And I can tell you from being married for a couple years, they often do. The squeaking in the background is a puppy. So we have dogs everywhere, cats running around. It's just our life. So we are going to push through. In future, what we'll probably do is we'll probably do a little snack, a day or something, and then go back and edit it all together. But because this is January's box and it's now February, we kind of need to get a move on and get through our January box as quickly as possible. So we've got a couple things. We've got drinks. Do you have your drink?
I do.
Just in case the snack is gross. This is not product placement. I am not represented by Mellow Yellow or Sprite. So to make that very clear. And we also have paper towels in case we need to spit something out super quickly. All right, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
It's done.
You're not saying much.
No, it's nothing.
They want to hear your British accent.
Nothing.
He does. All right, so we are going to open our treats.com. As always, I will put the description information and everything down below. Here it is. Okay. So, this month's treats are from Russia.
That's right.
So the little card shows you a picture. It's like a postcard from the country, and the back it gives you a little bit of information about the country. It gives you some ideas of what kind of treats you might see, but I don't really want to read that because I want to be surprised. And then there is an Explore Russia Fun Facts. It's got Russia Facts, Did You Know, Clue for next month. Ooh.
What is the clue?
It says treats come from a vast and humid country with a history reaching back 5 millennia. Because of the location of this country, it periodically experiences heavy rains called monsoons. This country is one of the most linguistically diverse in the world, with over 1,000 languages spoken. Despite that, this country is the second largest English-speaking country in the world. This country is also the largest producer of milk and has the largest population of vegetarian water. You can guess it?
In here?
It's almost certainly got to be India, but who knows? All right. And then the back, we have a recipe. This one is for Russian cabbage. Borscht?
I don't. Sounds good.
What is it? What is it? Borscht?
Sure.
Do you know how to pronounce that? You know how to pronounce that? So, and then it goes over the treats, which are treats that I'm going to say. And there is a giveaway if you hashtag try treats. So, before we start this, have you ever had any treats from Russia?
I don't.
Neither have I. I know nothing about Russian treats. Do you?
I like cabbage.
I hope not.
That's true.
Alright, so the first thing, now, we don't speak Russian, so we are not going to be able to pronounce, if we can get that to focus on what we did. You give it a go. You gave up? So this is called Kichi Moloko, and again, I'm not trying to be offensive. I don't know how to speak Russian. I don't even know if it's read phonetically like it looks. I have no idea. Thank you. So this is a small bite-sized chocolate candy with strawberry and cream filling on the inside. Originally from Poland, is now the most popular candies in Russia. That sounds pretty good. So let's give it a whirl. Here, I'll pick it. So it looks like this. It looks very unoffensive. What do you think?
Yeah, looks like chocolate.
All right, cheers. I'm a bit confused about some things. This is meant to be strawberry, and it's white. So strawberry cream filling. Do you taste strawberry?
Not really.
Me
Probably
neither.
hidden.
Do you have anything you can compare that to?
It tastes just generic chocolate.
It tastes like a Russell Stover that you would get for Valentine's Day or Easter.
There's some like variety chocolates and things in like
Byron.
roses or quality crispy and all
Walnut
that.
Street? Walnut Street? I mean, I thought it was good. Do you think it's good?
It's fine.
I would eat it again. It's kind of strange on the inside, though.
It's
not-
kind of like Aggie.
Yeah, it's not like Cadbury cream egg though. It's
I know.
different from the inside of that, but it's very frothy. I think eggy is a good description because it's like froth egg whites a bit, not taste, but texture. Would you agree? Yeah?
Yep.
Alright, Alright, this next thing has a very cute little baby. Alright, so this is Kalinka milk chocolate. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name. It says it's one of the most popular chocolates in Russia. This company has been making chocolate since 1851 and their chocolate is an all-time favorite of several generations in Russia.
Just chocolate.
What it says? Okay. Look at that. Alright, you ready? Cheers. And it's definitely not as sweet as a Hershey. It's good, but it is not as sweet as a Hershey. Thoughts?
Yeah, it's fine. You're right, it's not really sweet. Some of the flavour, but fine. I think.
I wouldn't like to necessarily want it again for you. That's not chocolate I would pick. I would pick something probably a bit more interesting.
Yeah, I'm not a big chocolate fan.
I mean, it was good. It's just not what I would go for. Don't say it. This is a giant Reese's.
I thought it was Mickey Mouse or something.
No, it's a giant Reese's. Rooster-shaped lollipop, famous in Russia. Hard in texture and sweet in taste. Perhaps the most unique lollipop you'll ever try. Now, this is not what you would call a lollipop. Is that correct?
Good.
But what else is a lollipop?
You can have
Your native
an
language.
iced lolly.
Yeah. I'm getting nervous. This one's going to be hard to try because it is so incredibly sticky. What do you think the flavor is? I mean, I think it tastes like chicken. I mean, seriously, what does rooster-shaped sucker taste like?
Good question.
Honey. No, it's certainly stickiness of honey. The wood breaks before the sucker. That's not going to break, this one it is. I don't believe it is. I thought it was a wood stick. You can see like the pieces of wood. Because this goes all the way far in there. That's what the top is. Are you touching it with me?
Okay.
Very good. That is a very unique. You're right. It's unique. That is wonderful. Here you go. No. I need to see it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
It's fine. I don't really like that.
It's definitely honey though, right? I will probably have it that again. I really like it. It is a really
Well, you got
Alright, next thing. Savory snack. Looks like pretzel. Alright, so this is bread rings. Circularly shaped pretzels sprinkled with sea salt. Savory in taste and have a chewy texture. A bite out of one of these pretzels will get you hooked. I love pretzels. Do you love pretzels? So I thought this is going to be a fairly safe snack size. Okay? Here.
That's it.
That is very good. Anything liquid to taste like cheese.
Somewhere between a pretzel and a cracker, I guess.
That is a perfect description.
Yeah, it's
It looks like a pretzel. Is that what that is? It looks like a pretzel. Oh, look, you can propose to me with this stuff.
Okay, go ahead.
It looks like a pretzel, but it tastes like a cracker. Would you agree?
Yeah.
It's really good. Those are going to be hard to stay away from. Alright. I mean, I don't even know. Based on the picture, I have no idea what that represents or what that is. Something with nuts. Toffee candy that comes in the form of a bar. Toffee is embedded with roasted peanuts, giving a unique taste. What sugar and grapes. You don't like toffee? Or you don't like them? It looks interesting. It's very soft. I expect it to be soft. Good.
The other two is more like fudge and stuff.
That is exactly what it is. Now, having said that, it's not quite good enough to be actual fudge.
It's got really nice aftertaste. The main taste, not that just about.
It's very sort of chewy. But I don't know. Fudge is a bit softer. The flavor is good. It does kind of taste like peanut butter fudge, but maybe like store-bought fudge, not home-prepared fudge. No, but I'm not sure what it is. So I thought it was good. You think it's good?
Yeah.
Well, we're down to our last snack, darling. You know what it is? It's got a cow on it. Let me find it. This is a Korovka wafer stick with condensed milk flavor. Wafer stick glaze with chocolate, sweet flavor, and crunchy in texture. You can enjoy it with milk, coffee, or on their own for a mouth-watering treat. Sounds good.
Good.
He does not like milk, but everything that's good is milk flavor. So And fired it up nice and easy. Here.
Not very fun.
Why?
There's some milk.
I think it's great. You want to taste like a famous candy cane? Famous American candy?
No. I don't really know that name. No Twizzlers.
It's a pretty dead ringer for a Kit Kat.
We have Kit Kats, I wouldn't say Kit Kat. I mean, texture-wise, concept-wise, it's pretty similar to a Kit Kat, but it's got nutty, creamy, milky flavour.
I think it tastes different than Kit Kat. I think it's really good. And so what was your favorite snack?
What was the second one?
The one with the baby one.
I know it's just that. The third one, or the fudgy one, was pretty good.
The coffee flavored one. I'm gonna go with the wafer stick. That was my favorite. And that's good.
Fudgy's good.
Alright, well, we will be opening up, like I said, we will try to do like a little at a time for the February box. See how it goes. You know, you might guys like this. If you do like this, give us a thumbs up, put some comments down below, and we will keep up with the treat box and we'll keep doing it. If you don't think this could be interesting to try to compare the palettes and see what we both think, this box was pretty safe. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
I mean, chocolates and pretzels. It's pretty safe. That doesn't mean every box is going to be that way. You know, depending on what the country is, there could be some pretty unique things, and I will say that he is probably more accustomed to eating unique things than I am.
Okay.
Oh, don't you think you would agree?
Yeah. Mhm.
I play it pretty safe, you know. He plays with spice and things like that, but usually I'm pretty good at chicken nuggets, macaroni, and pizza. Ramen. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in to Magic Monthly, and we'll see you next time. And I'm Jennifer.
Alright.
Alright.